Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinod Krishnan and I am a consultant prosthodontist and implantologist at Susmitam the Dental Clinic, Kakinad, Cochin. I hope you people understand the term prosthodontist. Prosthodontics is a discipline of dentistry which deals with replacement of teeth and associated structures. We specialize in making crowns, bridges, removable dentures, implant retained dentures, implant supported solutions, maxillofacial prosthesis, which includes replacement of your jaws, your nose, your eyes, and ears which are lost because of trauma or cancer. So that's a broad picture of what a prosthodontist can do. Essentially, we recreate what is lost. Friends, do you know what are the uses of teeth? There are primarily three uses. First and foremost is mastication or the ability to chew. We need to chew our food well so that digestion happens well. The first step of digestion happens in your mouth, and unless you chew your food well, mix it with saliva very well, it is going to be a difficult task for your stomach. So you need to chew well. That is the first and foremost use of your teeth. Next is speech. People should understand what you talk. Pronunciation is very significant, and teeth plays a very big role in your pronunciation of words. And finally, your signature, your smile, your aesthetics. So the three main uses of your teeth would be ability to chew well, ability to speak well, and present a beautiful smile. I have put it in the order of significance as we doctors try to help you out. These days, aesthetics is of great significance. People attach a lot of value to aesthetics, but you shouldn't forget that speech and mastication are two equally or even more important aspects of the use of teeth. Now, what happens when you injure your tooth or you lose your tooth? Is it important that you need to restore? Yes, very much. Because if you have broken your tooth, or if there is a cavity in your tooth, or if your tooth has had to undergo root canal therapy, its shape and contour has changed, it's very important that you restore the tooth to its original anatomic form. Failing which, adjoining teeth will migrate into that position. You will have cavities. You can have issues with the health of your gums. It will compromise your aesthetics. So a crown is indicated, an artificial crown, a prosthetic crown is indicated when your natural tooth has broken down for whatever reason. Cavity, trauma, accident, or by birth. If your tooth congenitally is malformed, then you need to go ahead with a crown. There are different types of materials, crowns. When you lose your teeth or tooth, it is very important that you replace your tooth. Patients run and come to the dentist when their front tooth is lost because aesthetics is challenged. Sadly, same is not the case when they lose their teeth behind because nobody sees it. You should understand that the teeth in front, they help us in aesthetics and speech and incising. Their action is scissor-like. Whereas the teeth behind, they are like grinders. You have 12 teeth in the front and 20 teeth behind. Each of them have a significant role to play. When you lose your tooth and you need to replace that tooth, You could either think in terms of an implant or in terms of a bridge. Implant always is the best and the first choice. If it is not possible for whatever reason, bridge comes as the second best choice. The last choice is a removable denture.